So over here, you can see that I have a storyboard file right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to export out the panels right here as individual pictures. So in that case, you can go around onto file and then you can go to export, and here you can see bitmap as an option. So here you can go around and select out JPEG, Targa, and even Photoshop files. And the thing about Photoshop files is that if you were to export it in Photoshop files, the layers will be exported individually so that you can edit it in a Photoshop later on as well. But for this example, I'm just going to choose JPEG, which is a compressed image format. So I'm just going to go around and type into the tube right here, and then you can select the size of the image that you want as well. And then over here, you can go around with the zoom level of the image as well, and you can select the color space as you want. So you can go around, and if you want camera information, you can print the camera frame, and then you can go around, and according to what you want, you can go around and enable out different options right here. On the bottom, you can go around and burn the print scene and name and panel numbers as well, which I'm going to do. And you can also go around and embed out captions if there are any. So you can just export out selected scenes right here by selecting out particular scene just like this, or you can select all or export this current scene and current panel. So I'm going to go around onto my document right here, go around onto desktop and create a new folder. Let's call this frames right here. And then I'm going to go around and select the folder. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and export it. An open folder after export is there as well. So export is completed, as you can see, and all of the file panels right here, they're exported as 5 different images, as you can see. So you can go around right here. So if I were to really zoom in, you can see that there's the embedded frame and scene right here on the image itself as well. And that is how you can export out bitmaps inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.